For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Elliot from BestEVMod sent me the mudguards for my Kia EV6 GT line package 2. And they come in this nice bag, which can be repurposed. Let's take a look inside. Instructions manual. Mudguards. Installation kit. Comes with a pry tool to remove the push pins that are already on the car. Allen key shaped screwdriver to install the new ones. And different options of push pins / screws to install the mudguards. You don't actually have to use them. You can, if you don't already break them while removing, just reuse the ones that are already on the car. And for some reason, these plastic push pins, they do have that Phillips screwdriver mark on it, but you don't really need to screw it in. You can just push it in and it works just great. Take the mudguard out and you'll see at the back they're all labeled to where they go. RL, rear left, and so on. For the rear ones, you have to remove these two, and then there's one right underneath here. Not the one at the back here, but the one right under here. And the key to not breaking the push pin is that you pry it from here. And it will just unlock and easily come out. If you pry it from here at the back, it's going to be in the locked position, and when you pull it out, it's going to break. So it's that easy. The trick to easy installation is to pull the pin out first from the push pin. 2 pieces now. This one goes in first, easily, and then you push in the push pin. If you try to do this together while installing, you will accidentally hit this and it will go back into the locked place, and it just won't be easy to do. So pull it out, insert this first, and then this. Let me show you how. This one goes in first. And then just push the push pin in, and that's it. Tug, tug, tug. The one at the bottom does take a bit of force to remove. It does not come out as easily as these, but as long as you remove them as shown, you will not break it. The one at the bottom is not as straightforward as the other two. So if you notice, it has this plus shaped mark ridges in it, and so does this. So they have to align for it to even go in. So make sure you do that. Otherwise, if you just blindly keep pushing it, it's not going to work. Principle is simple. When working on the front left, turn it towards left, and when working on the front right, turn it towards right to make room to remove and install the push pins. Pretty easy. Did not take much effort at all. So we've removed these two. We have 2 more down here. I'm going to reuse the pins that came with the car. And it's done. Pretty easy install. I'm tugging on it, and as you can see, it's pretty solid. I did use the original push pins, which are easy to remove, as you saw. A bit tricky to put them back in, but I show you how to do that. I'm going to do the other side now. Front left, rear left, front right, rear right. If you'd like to order a set for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and don't forget to use the promo code for a discount. I hope you found the video useful, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.